Here is an actual real way that you can get paid to chat. Yo, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now there are tons of videos on YouTube talking about how you could get paid to chat, right? And in like 95% of the cases, these videos are talking about like little like micro jobs, micro gigs where you get paid like 3 cents, right, to send a text message, or 5 cents to interact with somebody. Some shit that ain't gonna make you no real money. Alright, I'm gonna be honest with you. So there's a lot of people out there who have now turned off of the idea of getting paid to chat because of all these whack ass videos misleading people and leading them to opportunities that you really can't make any money. So about 6 weeks ago, I got hired to be an appointment setter for this company online. Now, what an appointment setter is, it's basically the bridge between a lead and a closer. All right, so an appointment setter's job is to get a warm or cold lead to the point where they're ready to get on a call with somebody to actually sell them the program or the course or whatever it is, right? So essentially all that I do is talk to people all day. Well, not all day, because I'm working part-time because I'm doing other shit. But when I'm working my shift, ultimately all I'm doing is having conversations with people, right? I'm finding out, their goals. I'm finding out, why they're interested in this program, finding out their experiences and whatever, and I'm trying to qualify them. We'll see if they qualify to move forward with booking a call, right? That's what I do. And that's what the majority of appointment setters do. That's what their job is, right? Now the fact is, a lot of people have never even heard of being an appointment setter, right? And that's why I'm making, these videos. Why? Because there are tons of appointment setter job opportunities out there, and people just don't know about them. Now a great thing about applying to be an appointment setter is you don't need that many qualifications to get hired. Like, you don't need a degree. In most cases you don't have to pass a typing test. You don't have to even have experience as an appointment setter, depending on what company you're trying to get with. But a lot of times you don't need experience because a lot of companies will train you. All right. Now another thing to know about appointment setting is, depending on what company you with, as far as pay, some are just commission based. Now don't think about, with the commission based job, is a lot of times whenever you be an appointment setter, whenever your closer closes leads that you book for them, you can get $300, $500, $800 per deal, right? But that's on a commission base. Now some companies will hire you on an hourly base, right? And other companies will hire you on an hourly and a commission base, right? Me, I'm doing the hourly plus a commission for every appointment that I book, all right? So the point of this video is, right, you really can get paid real money for chatting with people. Now of course it ain't as easy as these other videos out here where it's like, hey, sign up to this website and all you got to do is just start messaging people and watch the money go into your PayPal. That shit, that's not real. That really don't exist. And even if it does, if there are websites like that, you're not making real money. All them videos talking about getting paid to chat, once you watch them, you'll realize it's not like a real job opportunity, and you're going to make $5, $10 a week, maybe, right? Most likely if you're watching this video, you want to make some real money, right? You want to make $500, $1,000, $2,000 a month, I'm assuming. So yes, if you are interested in becoming an appointment setter, what you need to do is go to Indeed, go on LinkedIn, right? And I think Glassdoor has job opportunities too, but definitely Indeed and LinkedIn. Make sure you have profiles on both of them, and make you a short little resume. You know what I'm saying? It helps because you can submit your resume to all these jobs. But even if you don't got a resume, damn it, don't let that stop you. Like, damn on them excuses. Still apply for these opportunities, all right? Because there are tons of these jobs out there. You just got to take action and go get one.